Welcome to my channel, Dream Big 2. This is my countdown vlog, day 3. Only 3 days left of not doing a thing until I start to run around the world. And the excitement is still building up. And today has been a very, very busy day. It's after midnight now. I'm still not done with packing because I gotta tell you, packing. That's just not what I like to do. But yeah, I mean, I don't know who does. Maybe there are people who do like pack. But yeah, it's just so nerve wracking. And my goal would have been to sit beside my packed bag and kind of pat it a bit, but no, that's not what's happening. At least I got my little buggy all um, you know, um, together, like, you know, packed up with all the things inside. Yeah, it was a difficult task to. Yeah, there's a lot of things in that buggy right now, and it's in that bike bag. And tomorrow, I hope everything goes smoothly with like transporting it. But yeah, it has been traveling before, so hopefully everything is gonna go well again. And yeah, what do I want to talk about today? Because I'm all over the place with packing, getting all my stuff together, thinking about the last things I want to do. But let me kind of think about it. So yeah, I guess I'll introduce that in the next section. Well, first, I'm just gonna show you a couple of short videos that I made when I actually packed my buggy. Um, yeah, just give you a bit of an impression, but I don't even want to comment it or anything. So I guess I have done big trips before, gone to places for a long time. But yeah, I never quite you know, getting ready for the road for 18 months, I guess. And yeah, also in a kind of a documented way. And yeah, just a different style of traveling with you. But yeah, it's nice too. So it's always an excitement on the one hand, of course, and then extreme nervousness on the other. And yeah, it's funny that I really know that kind of feeling. And s- yeah, the nervousness is just yeah, produces some anxiety in a way, but on the other hand, um I don't know, it's also just good to go with whatever you can do in the moment. And it's always interesting that you wonder like what's going to go wrong, and you wonder what's going to happen, and all these hypothetical ideas that come and go. But yeah, I guess that's what it's all about, daring to go on a trip like this. So it's just a part of it, and gonna be even more nervous tomorrow if hopefully I can sleep, and then yeah, leaving Zurich, going to London, getting ready for Friday. Yeah, I don't really have much words, but I'm glad you're with me. So yeah, I just realized my energy level might not be quite up there, but yeah, I'm actually quite energetic still because I know what I still need to do. Get everything out here pretty much, and make space for someone else to move in. Ah, that horrible thought, but anyways, that's what it is. And yeah, I just had to run a couple errands last, things to pick up that I felt I still needed, and yeah, print out and write down certain things, emergency numbers and information, just making sure, everything is kind of done. Yeah, backup plans, I guess. Yeah. Um, oh, wow. What a day. So yeah, this trip is really gonna be a nice test for all the different skills I acquired throughout my life. So yeah, I'm just hoping to kind of playfully enjoy the journey, and yeah, kind of lightly, have a light. I don't know, traveling style. I think that's very important. And I do feel physically and mentally ready, but yeah, you never know what's coming. So I am prepared for everything. And yeah, I just look so much forward to meet all these people, and always, get these positive vibes out. And just, I always, it's just such a rewarding thing to travel, and I love the friendliness and kindness of people, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, spreading the love as best as possible. And I definitely think if you're gonna be with me on the journey, that would help, and hopefully you're gonna do the same in your environment, and that's what it will be all about. Like eventually, I that was my initial dream, and yeah, have honest, candid conversations, and live life in the moment, and yeah, just be grateful of our own lives, and the people that are with us, when as long as they're with us. So yeah, I'm just really happy to have that chance to go out and spread whatever I can spread. So yeah, I'm gonna go with an open mind and an open heart. But yeah, it's gonna be good. So this was it, the pack-in day that I find most nerve-wracking before any kind of trip. So yeah, I still have to do a couple of things. So yeah, thanks very much for watching the vlog. Yeah, I wish I could have come up with something more enlightening. Anyways, if you're interested in watching any of my other videos, please do so. They're up here. Tomorrow you will see my pack bag and my folded buggy in the bag and everything. Dream big too, my friends. Dream big too, and let's go on that journey. I am ready. Take care. Bye bye.